You have another example?
I ended up doing something else, yeah.
Yeah, let's see it.
Pivot it.
So I think something that's so cool about AI Studio in general is that we've always tried to bias the app generation to actually use the Gemini API.
Yeah.
And it lets you build these apps that are actually smart, right? So the thing that I just try to do is to ask it to generate an app that explains AI in layman terms. Again, I'm pretty obsessed with this idea of like using this as an education tool.
Yeah.
And looks up the web for information. So it just generated a full-blown sort of search UI for me that's sort of like, very focused on AI and making things simple to understand. And then I just asked it, what is a transformer? And it gives me this sort of layman analogy. Imagine you're in a lively group discussion where everyone is talking. All the AI models were like a listener who could only focus on one person at a time, blah, 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 So anyway, I think you can generate very custom apps like that for your own sort of like problem space, and it's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
I feel like this bring anything to life is it comes to life. It comes to life in this educational context, which is really interesting. I feel like there's so many things that are like not interesting to learn about or like see in real life, and then you can put them in, build in an interactive visual experience. Like one of the ones that hit me was I don't know if you saw before, we were doing the floor plan for the home and bringing it to life, and then really visual. But there's another one like that, which was, I forgot who it was, but we built one with a receipt, and you sort of just put in like a boring, like just a random receipt, and it like builds this entire visual experience around the receipt, which, not that I need to spend more time doing expenses, but it was cool to see as an example.